Look at how cute these squishy bouquet are. I just love the color. The animal. Oh, penguin! And look at the flower. Oh, so cute. I want them all. This would make great birthday gift, Valentine's gift, anniversary gift. And look at the small one. Look at the pig. Oh, look at another penguin. The small one would make good baby shower gift. All this would make great baby shower gift. Oh, the chicken. The yellow chicken. Chip, 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 chip,